Well, guys, a lot of people will be ask me, forget about this. So I hope you'll just be enjoying your good health. So that's we have such a nice and amazing day. I hope you'll just be enjoying your good health. So that's we are, a happy Monday. You know what, the Monday is just too much busy day. So we'll just be have a lot of work. So that's we not a cool day, but overall forget about this. So that's be such an amazing day. So you know what, I'm just be on this YouTube channel make a video about skincare ingredients. So if you're interested in this line, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new updates. So basically today our topic will be about vitamin D. So what is the benefit of a vitamin D? So I'm just be explain to you in this video complete detail about vitamin D. So why this is too much famous and why every dermatologist and everyone this week recommended this ingredient. So what is the role of a vitamin D in skin? Especially you will just be when the vitamin D is be you know what name come, you will just be think that's be for bones health and for bones improvement and overall that's be overall it will be repair your bones health, and it will be make you taller, and it will be promote your growth and height and overall. So this is a best option. There will be a lot of types about vitamin D, like that's be a combination medicines will be contained with vitamin D, adding some vitamin D, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, because vitamin D, that's we are so well work with this ingredient, and that's we are so well absorbed in your you know what in your body. And then this way, and a lot of a combination with vitamin D with zinc. So yes, that's we are true, vitamin D, that's we are such a nice ingredient for our bones health. So but overall I'm just be saying to you, that's we such an amazing ingredient for overall, not for our bones, but overall for our body, and for overall for our teeth, and for our a lot of a function. Vitamin D will be play a role overall in sperm production. And a lot of teens and people will be ask me about vitamin D. So that's why I'm just we make a video on this topic. And personally I'm just we love this ingredient. So that's the vitamin D. Basically it will be also increase your sperm level. When you'll just be facing a low sperm, so that's be a best ingredient to increase your sperm level. So when the woman will be conceived, but you will just your sperm will be count too much low, then you will just be sure taking start. You will just be go to your pharmacist, and then you will just be go to your nearby pharmacy and saying to pharmacist, can you give me please vitamin D plus zinc combination, ingredient supplements, because both of these combination medicine that's we well proper treated your sperm problem. Low sperm count, that's a high issue, but the point is how to solve this with vitamin D. Basically one will just be taken with zinc, so this will be increase your sperm production. And personally I'm just be the big fan of, because I'm just be or taken orally this supplement a lot, and I'm just be get a benefit from vitamin D a lot. So that's why I'm just be sharing, and I'm just be make a long video on vitamin D. So what is it? And there will be some natural sources of a vitamin D, like yogurt, cheese, so like eggs, like bananas. So that we contain a high amount of magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, which will be very essential for our bones health, teeth, and also for our nails. And personally I'm just with a big fan of this stuff. So for me, that's be a so well work. That's be amazing one ingredient. So the point is, I'm just be saying to you, I'm just be telling to you sources of a vitamin D. So that's be people will be saying you'll just be get also vitamin D and calcium sources from milk. So that's very true. So basically vitamin D not be played role in bone cell, but overall that's we are good for your nails, overall that's be some antioxidants. So uh, basically vitamin D will which will be impact on your teeth health. So it will be improve your teeth quality and also for your brain's development. So that's be a best option, and you will just be buy a supplement so which will be contain vitamin D and zinc and vitamin E. The combination of both of them such a nice and amazing, and personally I love it, and I'm just be try this a lot, and I'm just been a big fan of this stuff. So for me that's we are so well work, and personally I'm just be the big fan of this stuff. So because the formulation of a magnesium phosphorus and some mineral plants and some zinc and some calcium and so vitamin D, so all of them combination it will be well absorbed in your body and complete providing essential nutrient to your skin. So vitamin D, the point is how much vitamin D you will just be taken for children, babies, and I'm just be saying to you, so there will be a how much quantity will just be taken for children, babies, and children bones health, and babies bone health, and pregnancy woman, pregnant woman, overall health for bones. So how much quantity will just be need, so basically in a day. So basically that's we a mention on a calcium tablets for children, for babies. So I'm just be recommended to you when you'll just be taken this tablet for your baby, small baby. Okay, so that's the maximum one. You will just be taken a just a little bit amount of calcium tablet. So I'm just be recommended to you those tablets, so which will be easily dissolved in water, and you will just be drink orally. So that's why such a, so I'm just be recommending you the GSK GlaxoSmith company, Glaxo Smith Kline. That's we a company, that's we GSK company, that's we such a international and amazing brand. So that's the calcium tablet which will be dissolved easily in water, and that's be such a great chain, and it will be also available in sugar free, that's mean mango. So there will be a lot of a flavor like lemon, oranges, and mango for sugar free. So if you have a diabetic patient, so I am just be saying to you, you will just be avoid sugar based calcium tablet. You will just be using a sugar free, easily dissolve. And another thing, that's why a lot of vitamin D and calcium sachet will be available. That's why a little pack you will just be dissolved in water, and then you will just be drink. So you will just be get benefit of vitamin D and calcium. So another thing for children one, they will be taken a half tablet, half tablet, that's me enough one. And for pregnant woman they'll be taken a one tablet, maximum 1 to 2 tablet, that's be depend on your child, but recommendation is one. You will just be taken once a day. So pregnant woman, they'll be taken a 1 tablet and dissolve in water and then drink. So that's be a good work for baby as well as for woman, because when the woman will be give a birth to a new generation baby, so they will be loses a lot of vitamin D and lot of essential nutrient for body. So they will be need a multivitamin supplements, so to grow baby healthier as well as her health grow so well. So that's why overall both of them play amazing roles and take care of self. You'll just be taking a multivitamin supplement, so that's why amazing work. Okay. And uh, on my YouTube channel, teens and children will be ask me, about vitamin D. Should I am just we take vitamin D at the earlier age? Yes, why not? But I am just be saying to you, guys, uh, you will just be watching these teens, and I'm just not be saying to you vitamin D will be essential nutrient for everywhere, but you will just be can't be start tablets, because tablet recommendation basically when that's before adult one, not for you. Okay, so you will just be stay away from this, and children will be stray and teens will be stay away from vitamin D. You will just be also taken some natural sources, like I'm just be saying to you, that's why you will just be drink milk and eat yogurt and cheese. That's be a best option of vitamin D. And another thing, you will just be eaten eggs, and you will just be eaten a banana. So that's be a natural, but overall depend on your choice. So I'm just be the natural vitamin D is such a best for your, but overall one you will just be using a synthetic vitamin D. The in pharmacies that's why available, you will just be buy for yourself, and that's why no side effect. But overall the synthetic vitamin D will be prescribe when your doctor will be prescribe you, then you will just be buy and go and saying to your pharmacist, you will just be give me this supplement. But overall depend on your choice, you will just be buy. So okay, so that's been such amazing and nice choice. Depend on your choice. But overall, I am just a YouTuber, so that's why I'm just be telling to you all about vitamin D. So the function of and vitamin D, basically that's we, improve your. I'm just be saying to you, overall improve your boost your immunity system, so it will be make your immunity stronger and amazing. So another thing, that's we our teens will be ask me how earlier I'm just be start. You will just be start vitamin D taken supplement. So for maximum you will just be need vitamin D supplement at the age of a 7 8, you will just be start, or at age of a 9 to 12 year, because your basically acne will be start. Basically people, you will just be start this vitamin D basically at the age of a 12. That's be a best option, because a lot of hormonal changes will be appear, when you will just be starting this age 8 at the puberty. So that's why a lot of hormonal changes will be appear in female and males. So that's be a best stage, you will just be start vitamin D supplement, so which will be a so well work, for your bones health. So it will be make your bones so faster, because the cell dying or making process in this age very fast. So you will just be see, and your skin cells and another your bones will be grow too much faster. But again I am just be saying to you, don't be when your doctor will be prescribe you, you will just be also by like when you will just be facing like injuries, and you will just be facing a fracture in accident. So your doctor will be prescribe you, then you will just be taken this. But overall without prescription you will just be get a natural sources, I'm just be telling to you. So that's why you will just be can't be go to your pharmacy, and then you will just be buy vitamin D tablets and calcium tablet without prescription. That's we are not a good thing, and you will just be stay away from this one. So that's why. So and another thing, vitamin D personally I am just be try a lot. So for me that's why, so well it will be a really so well work and amazing work. Basically, that's why some people will be ask me, is vitamin D will be reduce your oiliness and a sebum production? Yes, that's why you're right. That's why vitamin D reduce your sebum. Yes, that's we are true. Vitamin D basically, what, reduce your sebum oil. So that's we are true. It will be a really work, and I am just be totally shocked when I'm just be search about vitamin D. It will be a really reduce your sebum oil. I am just be facing a lot of recently. You know what, in 2018 I'm just we are facing a lot of oiliness on my face, on my T-zone area, and my sebum will be too much overactive. So my dermatologist will be saying to me, you will just be avoid dairy products, because dairy products, when you will just be taken orally, yes, I'm just not be saying to you, but at the teenage, vitamin D natural sources, but overall some people, you will just be thinking, I'm just be saying to you, you will just be get a vitamin D from yogurt, cheese, and then you will just be saying to me, you will just be avoid dairy product because they cause acne and a pimple. Yes, that's we are true, but overall, the some people, eating a lot of a yogurt, but they'll not be facing a oil production. But depending on your skin type, which have skin type you, so I have a personally oily to combination skin type, so that's why I'm just be saying to you, if you have a oily to combination skin type, so I'm just be not be recommended to you will just be get vitamin D from natural sources. You will just be also taken a multivitamin supplements, so which will be a synthetic vitamin D, which will be a best option. So because when you will just be taken dairy product like yogurt, eggs, like animal based product, so this will be increase your sebum production when you will just be have a dry skin. So that's be a best and miracle ingredient dairy products for you. It will be make your skin softer and moisture. But when you will just be have a acne prone oily combination skin, so what, so that's we are fucking off ingredients, so you'll just be avoid dairy products. And the second thing, drink a lot of water. So my dermatologist will be saying to me, and also my dermatologist will be saying to me, you will just be avoid oily foods because that's we increase the sebum production. And my dermatologist will be saying to me, I'm just not be a lot of people will be when they'll be overactive, sebum will be start when they'll have be a no control on his or her acne, so they'll be taken a isotretinoin medicine. And I'm just not be the big fan of isotretinoin medicine because that's be a lot of a side effect. And I'm just not be by isotretinoin will be give you a one benefit and a lot of a side effect. You will just be facing like hair fall, dry eyes, dry lips, and you will just be facing a nose bleeding. So your whole skin will be looking dry. So that's why we are fucking off, and I'm just we never be like this. That's why a lot of a potency like 5 mg, 10 mg, like 20 mg. And personally I'm just not be the big fan of isotretinoin because that's why a lot of a size. So my dermatologist, I'm just be saying to you, the first one, and my dermatologist will be prescribe me isotretinoin. I am just be saying no, I am just not be using this because that's be a lot of a side effect. So my dermatologist will be prescribe me vitamin A and vitamin D tablets. So my dermatologist will be prescribe me, you will just be taking this for maximum 2 to 3 months. Like natural vitamin A you will just be get from carrot juice. I am just be already made a video about vitamin A. You will just be goes to my YouTube channel and find out. Okay, so what is the fact about vitamin A, all about vitamin A. So I'm just we already made a video on vitamin A. So I'm just we do my course for maximum 4 to 5 months, and I'm just we see improvement. My sebum production and my oil will be reduced because vitamin A, vitamin D. So both of that combination, that's the amazing treatment for your sebum production and oiliness to treat. So that's why I'm just be saying to you, vitamin D will be reduce your sebum production and oiliness. So that's why I'm just be sharing my experience with you. So That's we you know what about facts about vitamin D. And vitamin D, that's we such a amazing ingredient, so the god made for you. But the first thing you, how much you will be understand the vitamin D composition and how they work. Okay, so that's a point, but the people will not be understand the composition of this one, so that's why I forget about it. And the next question is people will be ask me, is vitamin D will be increase your height? That's why a lot of teens and children and after 20s people and after 22 years people they'll be ask me, so that's why I'm just be giving to you answer of a vitamin D. Basically yes, that's we are true, vitamin D will be promote your height growth, that's we are true, but the height will be depend on genetics. And another thing, a lot of a factor will be involved, you know what, no one thing will be involved in your body function, a lot of things will be involved, so in your height, especially 80 to 85% your height will be depends on your genetics. And another thing that's we depend on your diet. And overall the remaining thing you will just be get from your diet and from your exercise, and how much you will just be hard work to get this. So you know what, so the first one, hanging exercise, that's we are best exercise. But and chin up exercise and push up exercise, so that's we are best one, so to increase your height. And vitamin D supplement, when you'll just be starting a vitamin D supplement for height, that's we not a magic baby, that's we taken a time for maximum, you know what, they'll be taken a time, I'm just be saying to you, they'll be taken a time for maximum 4 to 5 months to see an improvement in your height. I'm just not be saying you'll just be starting vitamin D and you'll just be taking this orally for maximum, you know what, for week, and then you'll just be saying to me, hi Ziyu, I'm just be watching your video, but your vitamin D, you will just be saying this will be improve your bones health, and this will be improve your, you know what, height. But the point is this is not working, so I'm just be saying to you, baby, that's we are not a magic, that's we still be taken a time. So you know what, that's why I'm just be saying to you, the point is you know what, how much you will just be taken for height. So the recommendation of a you know what, vitamin D tablet, one tablet once a day, because it will be play a lot of a role, not for height, it will be promote your growth. Basically when your bones will be looking longer, your height will be also increased. So the some people will be facing in some cases you know what, my patients will be saying to me, my height will not be grow faster, but overall my mothers and father will be too much longer than me, and my father's and mother height too much, you know what, long, but I have, you know what, no longer height. So what is this happening? So that's why such a horrible condition. I am just be saying to you, the causes of a lack of a vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and another thing, this person will not be improve you know what, his diet. So diet will be play a lot of a role in your you know what, overall health. So junk food which will be delay you know what, your immunity, and also it will be totally and destroy your internal system, and it will be stop you from gaining you know what, longer. So that's why. And in some cases people will be saying my parents will not be longer, but overall I am just be looking longer than my parents. So that's why a lot of effect will be, you know what, uh, um, you know what, involved in this matter. So but I'm just be completely don't be understand this. So why what is the fucking of why this happening? So what is this? But overall, believe me, one will just be taken maximum one. I am just be 100% guaranteed to you. you will just be taken maximum one tablet a day of a vitamin D. So another tablets you will just be see when you will just be goes to farming, you will just be see on supplement they will be also contain zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, and then you will just be investing your money in this medicine. And then you will just be because you know what when you'll just be see all of them ingredient in your you know what medicine, so you will just be investing your money, because this will be when you'll just be see all of them combination, so that's be a so well work for you, and it will be a so well absorbed in your well, because your bones will not be needed just vitamin D, it will be to absorb well in your bones. It will be also need magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, and also a calcium, and to absorb vitamin D so well, and to promote your bones health and overall your body function and brain function. And vitamin D basically it will be also boost your sperm's quality. So that's the you know when your sperms will be a low count, so that's be a best option and best supplement. You'll just be start vitamin D and also contain zinc, so that's be also boost your increase sperm quality. So that's be a best thing. You will just be buy you know what in your pharmacy, you'll just be saying to your pharmacist in pharmacy, you'll just be give to me that's may contain vitamin D and zinc formulation, so both of them composition and formulation based vitamin D supplement. So when you'll just be facing this problem, like you know what your female will be ready to convey, but you have a you know what low sperm count, so that's why I'm just be suggested to you, you will just be buy this supplement and get a benefit from this one. And you will just be also eat with this eggs, maximum two eggs, you know what once a day, so that's enough one. And you will just be eating the eggs you know what at the morning time, so that's a best option. So that's a lot of you know what a noise pollution. I am just be hate noise pollution, so that's it will be boost also you know what your spermogy, you know what sperm's quality production. So this will be increase your sperm's rate. So that's the fact about vitamin D, and that's such a nice supplement for our all kids, children, and even females and older age. So, and personally I'm just be taken this multivitamin supplements. I'm just be saying to you, I'm just we already made a video on this topic. That's we contain a lot of nutrient like vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin C, vitamin E, thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. That's a lot of you know what a noise pollution. And I'm just be hate noise pollution, because I'm just be not be a big fan of a noise pollution. Personally I'm just be hate. So in my previous video I'm just be make a video you know what all about skincare and multivitamin service. So that's we are too much short. So people will be saying to me, you will just be make a video for maximum 5 minutes. You will just be can't be explain this you know what in detail. So that's why just we make a video for your request. So that's why. And another my this one supplement contain riboflavin, which will be present in rice, and vitamin B6. That's we basically vitamin B3, niacinamide. That's we basically a niacinamide family, a load of them, and contain folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin. So that's we pathonic acid. That's we basically using in skincare, especially for acne treatment. And calcium, I'm just we already talk you know what saying about what is this guy, iron and magnesium, zinc. That's we again and again this will be repeated. And some iodine, chromium, selenium. So that's we you know what my personal tablets. So I'm just be showing to you how this look like. Wait a minute. Oh so you will just be see this is my tablet that will look like. Okay, so that's the uh, my supplement. I'm just be taken this. So okay, so if you enjoy this, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new updates. I know that's be a long video, so that's be a long guys. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new updates. Okay, so have a nice day.